Flagship Express Car Wash in beautiful Waipio Gentry is not your granddaddy's car wash. Washing 120 cars per hour, there is never a line. Each wash is tailored to the vehicle using perfectly balanced cleaners and control from our ultra-modern flight deck. Gliding through the wash on dual conveyor belt, you'll experience the highest quality wash at an affordable price. Check us out at carwash808.com.
A clean car.